Okay, friends. Now the next step after opening a project or opening a new project, we have to import the photos and videos. So this is a next step because if you want to create a clip or videos, so you have to first import the photos and videos. So with these photos and video you can create your clip. So according to the importing photos and videos, how you can import the photo. So before using any clip on the timeline, first import the clip into your project. There are few different way to import a clip. The most common way is to drag and drop files from your computer into the project file section of the screen. To import any file, follow these steps. So simple, the most commonly used means directly you select your file and drop it on your project. Clear? And next step is click on the green plus button present on the toolbar or choose file, then import files option. From the menu bar, clear? The import files window appear. So this is the imports file dialog box will be appear. From there you select your folder, there your file or video clips are stored, and after the folders you select your file and folder and then open it. So your files and video will be comes into the timeline. Now the next step is select the image that you want to import by the presenting the shift or control key. Means if you want to select more than one file, so you can select the shift or control key and add button. So these all are comes into your project files. So this is the steps to import the files and videos. So you only note down these two steps. Write the side heading importing photos and videos. So there is a two way you can write. The most common way is drag and drop file from your computer into the project file section of the screen. So this you will write from the to screen. And next you will write the steps. Click on the green button, then you will write choose the file and then click on the import option. So only these steps you will note down. Okay, now the next thing is arranging photo on timeline. Students, this is the part of timeline. It is called the timeline. There you can place many videos and photos. So arranging photo on timeline means which track you want to play first. So you can arrange this into the timeline. So there is a steps for arranging your track. So first you understood about it. Once you have imported the image into project files pane, So this is the panel. There your all files and image will be there. The next step is to arrange them on the timeline. So after importing all image and videos, we have to arrange into the timeline. Means which video and file should be appear first and then next. Which one? The ruler on the timeline represents the flow of time. So there is a line and this is called the ruler. Clear? So there is one dotted line if you able to see. So there is a timeline ruler that will be moved onto the image and that image will be executed into the preview window. Okay. So the ruler on the timeline represents the flow of time. It starts from the far left corner, means from there to there, left corner to it will move toward the right. By default, timeline contains two tracks named track 2 and track 1 to add the image. Select, okay, now the steps is select the file from the project file pane that you want to add to the timeline. Drag the file and place it on the track 2 in the timeline. The clip will be now added to the timeline. It is represented by a yellow rectangle in the timeline. Similar, you can add the other clip tag. For example, students, there is a my file. So I will simple select my particular file or image and then I will drag it, means select and hold down your right button and drag on this timeline. If you want to add more videos, so you again select that particular videos and file and drop into the timeline. So this is a way of arranging photo on timeline. So you only note down these steps, means arranging photos on timeline. Select the file from the project file pane, drag the file and place onto the track 2 in the timeline. The clip will be now be added to the timeline. Clear? And it represented by a yellow rectangle in the timeline. Similarly, you can add other clips on the timeline. So you will note down these 3 steps. So this is a way of arranging photo on timeline. Okay students, after add videos onto the track, you can also apply the transitions. What is the transition? Transition, actually these are the effects, how your videos and other video clips will be executed into the videos. So the definition is transition are applied to add specific effect to the video. How your video will be appear? They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scans of a movie. Transition can be added between two image, video, clips or title. It has an arrow that show the directions either top to bottom, bottom to top to apply transition. Means you can also apply the transition. If you want to connect two video in some effective manner, it should be executed. So you can also apply the transitions. So in a video OpenShoot, you will get the different type of transitions effect by default. But how you can apply onto your screen? So there are steps. So first you note down the definitions of transition. Transition definition, only you will note down this first. these two lines. Transition are applied to add specific effect to the video. They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scans of movie. So only you note down this definition ki what is the transition. So you will write only this: transition are applied to add spatial effect to the video. They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scans of video. And its step to apply the transition: following these steps. Click on the transition tab. It contains the list of transition available on. So you will only note, click on the transition tab. So it have the list. This is the list of your transition available in OpenSource. Those transitions are available. These will execute in this box. Select the desired effect from the transition. Which effect you want it should be appear into the video, you can select from there. Anyone you can select. Okay. After this,